In today's video, we're heading off on a hike to find a waterfall we'd never even heard of until we got a DM a few days back, the Karamatura Falls. It's a stunner of a day for an adventure, and this one turns into an even bigger adventure than we had originally planned for.
Now what? The track just kind of ended.
It's awesome to be exploring again though, so we're taking you out to the Waitakere Ranges on the west coast of Auckland.
We've filmed out in the Waitakere Ranges in the past. Here's our favourite spot. We made it!
All worth it.
And with hundreds of kilometres of walking tracks and around 20,000 hectares of land, it's likely we'll be back again. The ranges are a natural treasure of Auckland and home to the giants of the forest, massive sand dunes, a beautiful rugged coastline, black sand beaches, stunning viewpoints, and of course, epic waterfalls.
This walk was awesome, though it did have its challenges along the way and some closures too.
Hey.
Oh, that's the tape.
But we made the most of it.
I don't think there's any, is there?
No. Oh, it's so busy.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
You made it. Well done, you made it through 2021. Welcome to 2021.5?
No way.
No.
We're getting rid of 2021. See you later.
It's good to be out doing something exciting anyway, doing something a bit different in the sun. Well, not really different, we love walks, but...
It's not different at all because there's 1,000 other people here.
I was kind of meaning different in the sense that everybody else has left Auckland and the people that stayed behind all came to this waterfall.
So busy.
So
There's so many cars.
we just hooked it up with all of our friends. Like, look at people just parked absolutely everywhere, but we're going to make the most of it anyway, aren't we?
Yeah, it's always a bit down buzz when you're like expecting this like serene situation, and then there's like 1,000 other people, but it'll still be fun.
Murder mystery.
Surprise! I've come to murder you.
The crime, a serial killer is on the loose.
Oh, it's the Karekare bag.
Oh, the Karekare
That's why we
bag.
just cleaned
Clean
our
our
shoes.
shoes, yeah.
I think we've explained that in the past. haven't
Yeah, we have.
It's a shame. We do get a lot of tracks that are closed, and in fact, some of this one might be closed, which is...
It says that the side track to the waterfall is closed.
Oh.
Like, that's literally the whole reason we came here, not for this beautiful scenery. So yesterday we went to the beach up north. It's beautiful, the sun was shining, and I think within about 2 minutes of me being out of the car, I was like, what is that on my shoulder? Something was crawling on me, and it was a bee, or a wasp, or I don't know what it was. And it friggin' stung me on the finger, and my reaction was like, Dane, pull it out. We've now learnt that you don't just pull them out because of the barbed tail and whatever.
But then what are you supposed to do? I don't understand.
Well, I googled it. You're supposed to scrape it with a credit card or something.
Oh, okay. Hey, this is cool.
Anyway, look at my finger. It's so fat, I can barely bend it.
Show us the other one for comparison.
I'm trying to straighten that one out and I can't.
And I had a blowout of my own. I'm wearing pants. It's like 25 degrees and I'm rocking pants because we're putting on sunscreen and I completely forgot to do my shins, and they are pink. Like bright pink.
Yeah, the shins ain't looking too good. This is pretty.
Is it?
Bird's nest.
Oh yeah. How'd you spot that up in the tree there?
I'm just really taking everything in, you know? New year, new me, fresh outlook.
Nice.
Oh no.
Oh, okay, so this is the loop thing. So it's like a needle. A needle track. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Kind of starts straight from the car park and then you get to pick your option.
I know which way I want to go. Which way do you want to go?
Well, we're going to do the loop, right?
Yeah, but do you want to go the loop that way or that way?
Oh, I reckon tackle the big bit now.
What's the big bit?
This way, up.
But if we don't tackle that now, then we get to come down. You want to go uphill?
Oh, I don't know now.
It feels right to go like clockwise.
Yeah,
right?
go left. What would you do?
I just saw the hill and was like,
Come on,
Not
we got
today,
to do it. So like, seconds ago, new me, new life, positive, you know, proactive 2022. Here we go. Absolute bullshitter. First time you get the chance for like an out. Nah, it's easier. Forget about it. I don't want hard work. No way. I don't want to work hard. Does anybody else do this? Stacey hates walking up hills, so sometimes she just goes, I'm gonna run. Just you just disappear. Speed demon. Those long legs. It's beautiful though. At least we've got some sun coverage. Across the bridge with the trolls. Damn, we got high.
don't you feel so small when you come to look out like this?
Yeah.
Wow.
There's not really much to look at, but it is beautiful.
If you come over here, is that a waterfall? See in the gap between those
Oh yeah,
two trees?
it is.
Well, that's a high waterfall.
Yeah. Well, for all our pissing and moaning to begin with about there's so many people and there's no car parks, we haven't seen very many people.
I don't think many people are doing the walk by the looks of it. That's just my prediction. I think a lot of them are at the waterfall.
Well, they're just not stupid enough to go up that left side like we did, which, by the way, if you are coming here, the left side is steep. We'll report back as to how the other side is.
We should have gone anti-clockwise.
It's all about fitness.
Is it?
Yeah.
No one told me that. I hope there's a point where it starts going down.
I hope there's a point where we can jump under a waterfall.
Yeah. Good exercise though. We're warming up to
Yeah.
get in that freezing cold water.
If we're allowed to get there based on that sign, I'm not 100% sure, but
Yeah, true.
that's cool that a Formula 1 fan was here. Max. Haven't seen Lewis anywhere, just saying. Sounds like some water now.
It's 15 minutes.
Oh, okay.
And then the car park's 30 minutes that way.
Right.
So let's go that way.
Cool.
Doesn't seem to be closed.
Well, oh, there's a stop sign there. Well, that's not a path, is it?
No. This is cool.
Yeah. Oh, it feels feels weird to say, but it feels really smooth after walking on rock and bumps and stuff. Okay. Yeah.
Keep going?
Yeah. Keep going.
Okay.
You can hear it through there, but I can't see none yet.
Oh, you might be able to by the time we get to the top.
Oh, more. That's real cool. It's a bit strange, eh? You never quite know what to expect from New Zealand landscapes.
Nah, there's cool
Just-
things around every corner.
It's just an enormous rock almost. But look at the size of some of these trees. Tree lovers would be digging it out here. Now what? The track just kind of ended. Oh wait, there's a guy over there.
Oh yeah.
I guess so. Yeah. Oh, okay, one more. Come on. No go.
What's it say?
2 falls to the right. Well, in good news, this has turned into way more of an adventure than I thought it was going to
Yeah,
be.
I was just thinking that. What is this tape?
Oh, that's the tape. Oh shit, and the adventure just got even worse.
Damn. Okay, let's go back a bit where those people were.
Yeah, we did see some people that were that had nipped off a little side piece. You can't get to the main waterfall, which is really shit because that's what this whole video and day was about. But they did have a spot where they were kind of swimming in some flat water.
We're a bit cursed when it comes to waterfalls.
You're so right. The waterfall thing never goes to plan for us. This is why they say don't go chasing waterfalls, right? Because this kind of shit happens. So basically never take our advice on on waterfalls.
Or just check before you go.
Yeah. A few things to hold on to.
Oh, not that.
A lot of people standing around, but no one really swimming except for the vapors up top. So I activated mountain goat mode and shot upriver a bit looking for a better pool. Amazing views, but no real luck finding the perfect spot. Bugger. So I just decided to wing it and brave it on the sharp rocks under the backup waterfall instead.
Clearly hoping to convince me to do the same, assuming he survived.
Totally worth it.
So cold, but so worth it. Not quite the experience that we expected, but I feel like it almost made it better, right? Like,
Yeah,
more
exactly.
of an adventure, a little bit more difficult, but worth it.
One of those weird moments as well where we climbed down that awkward thing, side piece there with all the dirt, and there's people standing around on rocks everywhere, and some people know like what's going on and some don't. I ended up,
Quite awkward.
once I climbed up, I just asked some dudes, you know, what's up there further, and there's apparently nothing. So this is cool. There's one pool there and there's another good one up top that we could have swum at.
This
but
one was cool though, with
it's
the
all-
waterfall.
Yeah, that was sick. Freezing, but nice to have some rays. Oh, that looks way easier. It's a much easier option to just walk up here
Oh man, I
Then-
wish we found this before.
than the slip and slide that we went down. Oh, that was fun. And so good to cool the body temp. I was dripping,
Yeah.
dripping with sweat.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
What a day. Life is good. Hikes, sunshine and swimming in random waterfalls. There was only one thing that could make it better. Okay, maybe two.